Breakfast foods that will make you look younger. From high-end serums and peels to moisturizers, it feels like there are endless products out there to achieve younger-looking skin. But here's a bombshell that just might save you some serious money on skincare. What you eat can have a major impact on how your complexion looks. Aging is inevitable, but research has shown that many of the vitamins, minerals, and other substances in your foods may help to slow down the process a bit. There are a number of breakfast foods that make you look young, all packed with those skin-enhancing nutrients. Number 1. Avocado. Good news if you love to eat avocado toast for breakfast. Jaramillo says that creamy green fruit is a phenomenal source of monounsaturated fatty acids, which studies have shown can help protect the skin from premature aging. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are found in avocados, can also help improve skin dryness. Keeping skin hydrated is key in allowing it to be healthy as we age. Number 2. Fruit smoothie. Fruit smoothies are packed with antioxidants that can ward off damage to the skin from free radicals. Smoothies are also an excellent way to stay hydrated, which will have skin-enhancing benefits in itself. Add hemp seeds, avocado or peanut butter to smoothies for an added kick of omega fatty acids, and vitamin E to promote skin health and reduce inflammation. Number 3. Eggs. Whether you prefer them scrambled, fried, or hard-boiled, experts agree that eggs are an excellent choice for breakfast when it comes to nourishing your skin. This is because eggs contain both protein and vitamin D. Vitamin D can protect skin against UVB damage. As we age, our body's ability to produce vitamin D declines, so consuming it through foods is important. Protein is also important, and those who consume diets low in protein have been shown to have more prominent appearance of wrinkles. These choices also contain vitamin E and K, which will help promote blood flow, can reduce the appearance of dark spots on the skin, and moisturize the skin. Number 4. Chia seed pudding. Speaking of omega-3s, chia seeds are chock full of them. Omega-3 fatty acids not only help to reduce inflammation, but also help the skin to maintain moisture, which is crucial for keeping it looking plump and youthful. Consuming more omega-3 fatty acids can help white blood cells to preserve tiny segments of DNA called telomeres, which are known to shorten over time as a consequence of aging. Omega-3 supplementation was also found to reduce oxidative stress caused by free radicals. Number 5. Tomato. When the skin is exposed to light, the skin's lycopene can be destroyed. Foods like tomatoes contain lycopene, which may mitigate damage. Try adding salsa on top of your eggs or add slices to avocado toast. Lycopene, the phytochemical that makes this vegetable red, has an anti-inflammatory effect and decreases your skin's sensitivity to UV radiation. Tomatoes are also rich in B vitamins, which have anti-aging properties and may reduce sun damage, age spots, fine lines, and wrinkles, while also contributing to cell repair. Number 6. Tofu scramble. If you're a vegan, swap the egg scramble for a tasty tofu one. Tofu contains protein, which is one of the building blocks of skin cells, as well as soy isoflavones, which have been found to significantly reduce wrinkles and improved skin elasticity. Tofu is a good source of zinc, which helps to prevent free radical damage in the body and aids in cell repair. Number 7. Sweet potatoes. You might want to swap those traditional hash browns or home fries for sweet potatoes. They contain carotenoids, powerful antioxidants derived from vitamin A that have photoprotective qualities, meaning they'll protect your skin from damage. They're also packed with vitamin C, which plays a major part in skin regeneration. Studies have shown that women over the age of 40 who had a lower intake of this vitamin were more likely to have wrinkles. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.